destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about a backyard outdoor summer kitchen, we are talking about a completely dedicated, fully equipped culinary space built entirely outside the main walls of your house. Far more than just a simple standalone barbecue grill rolled onto a patio, a true summer kitchen functions as a permanent extension of your home's living space. It typically integrates durable counter space, high-end cooking appliances, food preparation areas, and often plumbing and refrigeration, all designed to withstand the elements. Historically used to keep the main house cool during the sweltering hot months of the year, today it represents the pinnacle of modern luxury, architectural integration, and sophisticated open-air entertainment. Investing in a backyard outdoor summer kitchen brings a massive array of lifestyle and financial benefits to your property. First and foremost, it completely transforms the way you entertain guests by keeping the chef directly in the center of the social action rather than isolated inside the house. Cooking outdoors keeps strong food odors and intense heat out of your indoor kitchen, which significantly lowers your indoor cooling load and reduces energy bills during peak summer months. Additionally, an expertly planned outdoor kitchen substantially expands your usable square footage, creating a fluid, seamless flow between your interior spaces and nature. From an investment perspective, premium outdoor living amenities are highly coveted by prospective buyers, making a summer kitchen an excellent way to boost your home's overall market value and curb appeal. Decorating your summer kitchen to achieve a high-end, cohesive aesthetic requires a careful balance between durable materials and beautiful textures. Start by choosing a solid material palette for your kitchen island structure, such as stacked natural stone, sleek concrete, or rich, weather-resistant timber paneling that complements your home's main architecture. Introduce visual depth by matching your countertops with high-quality granite, marble, or quartzite slabs that can beautifully reflect natural sunlight. To create an inviting atmosphere, layer your lighting with waterproof undercounter LED strips, elegant pendant lights over the bar area, or a stylish statement ceiling fan if your kitchen is nested under a pavilion. Finally, soften the hard structural lines of the cabinetry and masonry by introducing lush potted plants, comfortable woven counter stools, and decorative stoneware that bridges the gap between functional utility and resort-style relaxation. To build a highly functional and high-performing outdoor kitchen, you must prioritize durable, weather-rated appliances and premium convenience items. The absolute centerpiece of any summer kitchen is a commercial-grade, built-in stainless steel gas or charcoal grill, often paired with powerful side burners for multitasking. To minimize constant trips back inside the main house, incorporating a compact, weather-resistant outdoor refrigerator and a dedicated stainless steel sink with a high-neck faucet is absolutely essential. Ample hidden storage is another must-have, so look for heavy-duty flush-mount stainless steel drawers and trash enclosures to keep your prep space organized and clean. For the ultimate luxury layout, you can round out your space with specialty cooking items like a built-in wood-fired pizza oven, a professional warming drawer, or an integrated outdoor television setup surrounded by stone cladding to create a true open-air entertainment hub. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard outdoor summer kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the waterfront stone-clad culinary oasis. This magnificent design showcases a luxury outdoor kitchen built directly overlooking the water, featuring beautiful natural stone paneling along the back wall and island. It features a heavy-duty built-in grill topped with a professional stainless steel vent hood, a high-end flat-screen TV mounted flush against the stone, and an expansive marble-topped breakfast bar complete with comfortable woven bar stools and a modern multi-blade ceiling fan to keep things cool. 2. The tropical Bohemian Pavilion Kitchen. Embracing a relaxed, island-inspired layout, This design features an open-sided wooden pavilion covered in lush, hanging green vines and tropical foliage. The concrete waterfall island contrasts beautifully with a classical patterned floor tile insert, while oversized woven rattan pendant lights hang gracefully above a rustic wooden dining table surrounded by chic black and white bistro chairs. 3. The Slate Blue Traditional Pavilion Suite. This classically designed open-air kitchen features custom slate blue cabinetry accented by premium granite countertops and integrated stainless steel appliances. Protected under a grand white pillared pavilion with exposed wooden rafters and overhead heaters, the workspace looks directly out onto a perfectly manicured lawn and a central outdoor dining table shielded by a large navy umbrella. 4. The ultra-modern dark wood and metal kitchen. A masterclass in contemporary industrial design, this summer kitchen utilizes deep, dark wood-grained cabinetry trimmed with crisp metallic borders. The back wall is split between raw stacked stone and distressed copper patina metallic tiles, all supporting a massive built-in grill station under a custom geometric wooden vent hood box next to a large panoramic window. 5. The vibrant Mediterranean emerald and stone pavilion. This unique and lively design pairs heavy stone masonry pillars with striking emerald green cabinetry, bringing a bold pop of color to the backyard. Situated beneath a beautiful exposed truss timber roof, the space flows seamlessly into a luxurious lounge area with plush wooden armchairs, overlooking a pristine backyard swimming pool. 6. The Minimalist Architectural Concrete Lounge. Perfect for fans of clean lines and mid-century modern design, this setup highlights a sleek raw concrete island and matching dining table beneath a dark-stained cantilevered roof structure. Industrial metal dining chairs line the table, while the completely open wall layout offers unobstructed views of a luxury lap pool and surrounding forest trees. 7. The seamless indoor-outdoor stainless transition. This innovative design completely blends the boundaries of indoor and outdoor living using massive sliding glass pocket doors and a perforated metal screening system. The kitchen island transitions from light wood to a seamless, gleaming stainless steel base that extends out onto a polished concrete floor, matching the modern, minimalist desert landscaping outside. 8. The poolside marble and high-gloss stainless pavilion. Radiating modern elegance, this poolside summer kitchen features an island wrapped completely in high-gloss, reflective stainless steel paneling under a crisp white pavilion. The back wall is covered in a stunning white marble slab with dramatic gray veining, serving as a sophisticated backdrop to the professional grilling equipment and minimalist bar stools. 9. The cozy rustic stone fireplace deck. This warm and inviting design features a raised wooden deck covered by a beautiful vaulted ceiling with light wood paneling. A massive stacked stone fireplace structure serves as the anchor point, housing an integrated television above the hearth, which sits directly adjacent to a matching stone-clad grilling island and built-in mini-fridge. 10. The lanai screened enclosure luxury retreat. Designed for ultimate comfort, this expansive outdoor kitchen is built inside a massive panoramic screened-in lanai enclosure, keeping insects away while letting the breeze flow through. The layout boasts custom gray cabinetry, luxury stone countertops, and a cozy conversation area arranged around a long, modern concrete fire table right next to a resort-style swimming pool. Building a backyard outdoor summer kitchen is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake, instantly upgrading your lifestyle, your home's aesthetic, and your property value. Whether you prefer the rustic warmth of stacked stone and wood-fired ovens or the sleek, sharp lines of modern concrete and stainless steel, there is a design out there perfectly suited for your backyard architecture. By combining high-performance appliances with comfortable seating and smart lighting layers, you can enjoy a flawless culinary experience under the open sky for many years to come. If you love checking out these incredible outdoor kitchen designs, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community here at Decor Designs. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest exterior styling tips, backyard tours, and landscaping inspiration. Let us know down in the comments section which of these top 10 ideas was your absolute favorite and what features you would put in your dream summer kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.